today we are doing the best cheesecake in New York. Now that is a battle for sure, but from what we've read, Eileen's special cheesecake, it pretty much takes the cake, no pun intended. So here today we got a couple of different kinds, and oh, they tape the box pretty good, so let me just get it open. Okay. Oh, there we go. Just gotta give it a little aggression. All right, so we got, of course, they have so many different flavors there, and it's not your typical cheesecake slice. I went in there thinking, okay, can I get a slice of cheesecake? It doesn't work like that. It's these little individual cheesecake, sort of round cheesecakes. So they have so many different flavors there. Definitely hard to choose, but of course you gotta go for classic New York style cheesecake, which is this plain one here. And then we got just a simple strawberry cheesecake here. So let's take our first bite and see what this is all about. Oh my goodness. Okay. First of all, putting the fork in, it's like so soft. That just came off with like no problem at all. So that is so creamy and so good. And it's not like it has like a thick cheesecake crust on the bottom. It's more like got like sort of the crumbs. I'm spitting here. It's got more like the crumbs lightly sort of surrounding it. It's not like a thick crust. So it's really, really light and delicate. Okay, we're gonna try the strawberry now.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, I think this bacon.
And with a real strawberry in the middle. Wow. That is so good. So fresh. So value for money. For two, it was $11.70 US. So that's like, yeah, about six bucks a piece, pretty much, roughly, 5 something. You know, it's a little on the pricey side, but it's really very, very good. So I would say if you want to treat yourself, it's good value for money. It is it's a little on the high side, so we'll say it's fairly good value for money. But it's one of those ones that you're kind of like splurging a little bit on a good dessert. And then rating this, like honestly, it's just so light and fluffy and creamy. I would give that a 10 out of 10 cheesecake, definitely. And like I said, there's so many other flavors you could try in there. Cookies and cream. There's like a caramel one. Everyone would probably be good. So definitely worth checking out. Recommend. And if you like what you saw here and you want to learn more about our food adventures, our touring around adventures, any of that, follow Planet U. Hit the notifications bell to keep updated. Give us likes. Give us loves. We love you. Enjoy.